Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to hide following list on TikTok. So let's go. The very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your TikTok app. So having opened up your TikTok app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this three stroke at the top. Next thing you need to do is to click on settings and privacy. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on privacy. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, and then you have to look for following list. Then click on that. So it's going to take you to this particular page. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on only you. So if you choose only you, other users will only see a mutual friend. So this simply means that you have hide all the following lists on your TikTok app. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial about TikTok. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.